Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install Keptify Code using the Google Tag Manager. First of all, log into your Google Tag Manager. There are three tabs shown in your main dashboard. Under the Workspace tab, you should see the Tags icon. Click on the Tags icon and click on the New button. This will allow you to create a new tag. Type in the name of your new tag and then click on the Choose a Tag Type to begin setup. Once you have clicked on this, it will allow you to choose the type of tag it is going to be. Click on the Custom HTML option and it will now display a field where you can enter the code. Copy and paste the Keptify code snippet that has been emailed to you when you had signed up for the Keptify services. Next, go to the triggering option. This will allow you to set the trigger to make your tag fire. Set it to all pages and click on the Save button. Once this is done, the Keptify tag will show up on the list of tags. After this, you need to click on the Submit button and add in the details of your update and click on Publish. Once you have clicked on Publish, it will take you to the Versions tab of your Tag Manager and show you the summary of the update. You can now exit your Tag Manager and you are good to go. Remember, if you need any help for installing the Keptify code on your site, contact us directly and we will be on hand to guide you through the entire process.